Hi, I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors. I just wanted to introduce ourselves to you today. We are a garage door company. We sell to the public. We sell parts. We sell complete garage doors, garage door panels. We sell torsion springs to the public and also extension springs. Garage door track, garage door struts, garage door hardware, hardware boxes. We custom order all kinds of designer doors if you need them. One of the advantages to coming to one of our stores is that our staff, they are all formerly garage door technicians that worked out in the field. So they have a lot of knowledge and they would like to share that knowledge with you. It's really important to ask the correct questions to our customers so that we can get you the right parts. And sometimes you don't know what you don't know. And so we just want to share our knowledge with you, and that's something that you typically aren't going to be able to get online. When we hand you a part, you see what it is, and we can talk about it. We can tell you all the different options that you may have. You'll be able to see it from our inventory and make a better decision. All of our prices are super fair. Very similar to what you would find online, but we are owner operated and we are your local location. So we would appreciate it if you come by and support your local business. We'd like to get a chance to talk to you today. Please don't hesitate to call us if you have a question about inventory or pricing. We can do a lot of that over the phone. We do not mind letting you know that information up front. So come on out to Parts for Garage Doors to our Channelview location. We are on the East Freeway, just east of Beltway 8. Very convenient if you're on the east side of Houston, from Pasadena, from Baytown, anywhere on the east side. We'd love to help you out. Come on and stop by. So if there's anything you need, don't hesitate to ask. There are no dumb questions, and we will do our best to help you out in any way that we can. My name is Travis, and one more thing, we'll see you when you get here.